What's going on, YouTube fam? I had a question on my last video. Somebody asked me, do you rent storage space, an office, or a warehouse? And the answer to that question is I've never rented a storage space. I've always had a place with a garage. That's how I like to do it. If I got a garage at my house, my wife like to park outside. I'll park my car and truck outside as well. And we'll use the garage space for the business, supplies, equipment, all that good stuff. All my machines, everything is in the garage. If it comes to a point where, like my parents, they've been in business for a long time, they got a big storage unit where a lot of their stuff is. So I may end up doing something like that in the future. But right now, use my garage, right? Then my home office, right? Home office, y'all, be resourceful. Use what you have, right? Maximize your space. This extra bedroom in our house, this is what I use for my office, right? And then I got a question right here that said, what if we don't have any references because we're just getting started? Have you found it more difficult to get clients? This was somebody asking me a question about when I said that you need a reference list or you need some extra materials for when the office manager asks you, hey, do you have extra information? Do you have references or things like that, right? So this is a great question, right? This is where your friends and family come in. You can start getting reviews and testimonials from people who already know, like, and trust you, right? This is you going to people at your church, at your job, your whoever, right? Your mama. I mean, for real, go and clean for them for free. Have them give you a review on your Google page, your Facebook page, and start building up your credibility online like that. And that will allow you to get some sort of, it'll look like something, right? And then there'll be a legitimate reference, right? Another thing too is when you're dealing with these kind of people, this is where you just have to be better than the next person, right? You have to follow up more frequently than anybody else, right? Follow up, because that'll let them know, oh, this person is serious. They may not have as many references as this other company, but they are serious. They following up with me. They checking in with me. Like right now, y'all, I got an idea I got this one client or potential client that I've been going after for a little while. I want to get this building so bad, right? Because I know they're frustrated. The staff in there already told me. And the idea that I have is, first of all, it's a pediatrics clinic, right? I have this idea of purchasing an operation game board, you know, the little game board, the operation game, taking that up there with the Christmas card saying, you know, Merry Christmas, you know, whatever, right? I'm gonna get ChatGPT to help me write just a short statement on there, something short and sweet, and I'm gonna bring that up there to them, and that will make you stand out. Like my guy Mike Wilkins just got an idea. Well, I don't know where he got the idea from, but he ended up having a gold box with his bid proposal in there and the chocolate Hershey's bar, right? This is inside information, right? And he ended up taking it up there to the lady, and the lady was blown away. So it's things like that that will make you stand out if you don't have all the references, you don't have all the fancy whatever, right? So just keep that in mind too. Think of a way to make yourself stand out, right? Also, another good tip is just to find statistics, find different things that will be like resources to the office manager, property manager, and you can just send that to them, right? And that'll like I put that in my presentation when I do presentations. So let's go to this next question. Let's see here. So somebody asked me, when you're making an invoice, do you add sales tax or is that not necessary? So the answer, yes. Yes, we are required to charge sales tax, collect it, and pay it into the state, county, city, whatever, right? And most softwares, invoicing softwares, whatever platform you use, most of them have that on there where it'll let you add sales tax, like QuickBooks or whatever. Also, Jobber. If you want to try Jobber out, Jobber also allows that too. I'll put the link in the description for that, and you can simply create an invoice really quickly, add your sales tax on there. And if you don't know what the sales tax is for your particular area, you can just do a simple Google search, or you could also go to the Department of Revenue in your area and look that up. So that's a way that you would do that. Appreciate y'all for tapping in with me. I'm about to get on off of here. I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.